Here's 3 tweaks you can do to grow your glutes instantly when doing pelvic curls. But first, let me show you 3 mistakes people do that actually don't work their glutes but their hamstrings, or nothing at all. So the first mistake is arching your back like this. So where your ribs are pointing out and you have a lot of space here. The second mistake is your feet are too far apart from your bum. And the third is not articulating your spine when going up. So how to fix this? First, imprint your spine. So pubic bone to belly button. So not imprinted, imprinted. Then get your feet closer to your bum. I recommend a foot length, like this. Your arms are next to your body, pubic bone to belly button, and then articulate slowly. I'll put my arms overhead so you can see it better. So instead of doing this, imprint. So pubic bone to belly button, and now slowly lift your spine off the mat as if it was tape, as if you were trying to pull off tape. And then imagine pressing a coin between your butt cheeks. Push your glutes to the ceiling, like towards the ceiling. That's how you maximize your gluteus engagement. So with these tweaks, you'll grow your glutes in no time. Promise. If you feel like implementing these tweaks right away in a glute workout, check out my 2 glute workouts in the description below and at the end of the video. Also, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!